One villa, two families, and a vacation that turns into a nightmare. Picture this. You book a villa on the Amalfi Coast, one of the most beautiful places on Earth, hoping to heal your family. Instead, your teenage son vanishes after a party, a dead body washes up on the beach, and suddenly you realize someone's playing a deadly game with your family. This is The Vacation, a brand new Audible thriller that feels like Big Little Lies crashing into the White Lotus. Drone shots of Amalfi Cliffs fade into darker tones, shadows on villa walls. Erin thought she was booking peace. Instead, she walked straight into a trap. Her neighbors at the villa next door, Tristan and Bea, are charming, magnetic. But are they trustworthy? The line between holiday friendships and sinister motives gets thinner by the minute. Then comes the nightmare. Erin's teenage son Jesse disappears after a party. And when a body is found on the beach, every secret, every lie begins bubbling to the surface. Suddenly paradise feels like a cage, and time is running out. Show Audible logo plus cast names. This isn't just another beach thriller. It's performed by Julia Whelan, a legend in audiobook narration, and Mia McKenna-Bruce, BAFTA Rising Star. That means you're not just listening, you're immersed. The shifts in tone, the tension in every pause, it feels like a Netflix series in your ears. One listener said they were shocked and speechless by the ending. Another called it amazing, a fantastic listen, with twists that blindsided them. This isn't background noise. It's the kind of story that makes you take the long way home just to keep listening. This book is all about peeling back layers. Every character has something to hide. Every conversation feels like a poker game where no one shows their cards. One reviewer nailed it. So many secrets and lies bursting at the seams. And trust me, when it all unravels, you're left shocked, almost breathless. It's like sipping limoncello on a sunny terrace, only to realize someone poisoned the glass. That mix of beauty and danger is what makes The Vacation so irresistible. You think it's a healing trip, but nope, it's an emotional grenade waiting to go off. If you loved Big Little Lies, if you couldn't stop watching The White Lotus, or if you just crave thrillers with gorgeous settings hiding ugly truths, then The Vacation is your next listen. It's got shifty characters, family drama, a sinister edge, and yes, a jaw-dropper of an ending. But fair warning, this is one of those books where you'll be second-guessing everyone. The mom, the siblings next door, even the son. Nothing is as it seems. For me, The Vacation works because it mixes the escapist beauty of Italy with the claustrophobic tension of a thriller. You've got secrets, lies, betrayals, and an ending that feels like a punch in the gut. It's binge-worthy, slickly performed, and dangerously addictive. So if you're ready to turn your beach day into a psychological minefield, check out The Vacation on Audible. I've dropped the Amazon affiliate link right down in the YouTube description. Click it, grab your copy, and let me know in the comments if you saw that ending coming, because I sure didn't.